Welcome back, aviation lovers. Have you ever wondered what it takes to purchase an aircraft? Whether you're an aviation entrepreneur or just curious about the process, today's episode will walk you through the complex yet fascinating journey of acquiring an aircraft. We'll cover everything from financing options to the intricate details of pre-purchase inspections and the final steps to making that aircraft yours. So fasten your seatbelts and let's take off. The decision to purchase an aircraft is monumental. Whether it's for commercial operations such as expanding your airline's fleet or for private use like corporate travel, this journey requires careful planning and consideration to ensure you make the best possible choice for your needs. Start by defining your specific needs. Are you purchasing the aircraft to serve regional routes, long-haul flights, or perhaps for cargo operations? Identifying your operational requirements will help you narrow down your options. Alongside this, establish a realistic budget. This should include not only the purchase price but also ongoing costs like fuel, maintenance, crew salaries, insurance, and hangar fees. A clear budget is crucial for determining what you can afford and will guide the rest of the purchasing process. With your needs and budget in mind, the next step is selecting the right aircraft. Consider factors such as the aircraft's range, fuel efficiency, passenger or cargo capacity, and maintenance requirements. For example, narrow-body jets like the Boeing 737 or Airbus A320 are popular for short to medium-haul routes, while wide-bodied aircraft like the Boeing 777 or Airbus A350 are suited for long-haul operations. For private or corporate use, jets like the Bombardier Global 7500 or the Gulfstream G650 offer luxury, range, and efficiency. Next, you'll need to decide whether to purchase a new or pre-owned aircraft. New aircrafts come with the latest technology, improved fuel efficiency, and warranties, but they come at a premium cost. On the other hand, pre-owned aircrafts can offer significant savings but may have higher maintenance costs and require more frequent inspections. When considering a pre-owned aircraft, it's essential to review the aircraft maintenance history, age, and any previous incidents it may have been involved in. Now, let's talk about financing, one of the most crucial aspects of purchasing an aircraft. Unless you are paying cash upfront, securing financing is likely to be part of your journey. Aircraft financing can be complex, with several options available depending on your financial situation and operational goals. Common financing methods include bank loans, leasing, and specialized aviation finance companies. Traditional bank loans are a common method of financing an aircraft purchase. These loans typically require a substantial down payment, usually around 20 to 30% of the aircraft's value. Interest rates and loan terms can vary, so it's important to shop around and compare offers from different banks. Ensure the bank has experience in aviation financing, as they will better understand the nuances of the industry. Another option is to work with a company that specializes in aviation finance. These companies often offer more tailored loan products, including fixed rate and variable rate loans, and may have more flexible terms. They also tend to have a deeper understanding of the aviation market, which can be beneficial if you're financing a large fleet or a highly specialized aircraft. Some buyers opt for leasing with the option to purchase. This allows you to lease the aircraft for a period while making instrumental payments. At the end of the lease term, you have the option to purchase the aircraft by paying the remaining balance. This can be a good option for those who want to preserve cash flow while still working towards ownership. For larger purchases, syndicated loans involve multiple lenders pooling resources to finance the aircraft. This option spreads the risk and can provide better terms, but it also requires more coordination between lenders. Syndicated loans are often used for fleet purchases or when buying large, expensive aircrafts. Once your financing is in place, understanding the payment structure is vital. Aircraft purchases typically involve several payments made at different stages of the process, and these payments are often facilitated through escrow accounts to ensure security and transparency. The process begins with an initial deposit, which is typically 5 to 10% of the aircraft's purchase price. This deposit is placed into an escrow account. An escrow account is a neutral third-party account that holds funds securely until all the conditions of the sale are met. Using an escrow account ensures that neither the buyer nor the seller has direct control over the funds until the agreed-upon terms are fulfilled. The initial deposit serves as a sign of commitment to the purchase and effectively takes the aircraft off the market. A pre-purchase inspection involves a detailed examination of the aircraft's physical condition as well as a review of its maintenance records, logbooks, and relevant documentation. During the physical inspection, experienced aircraft maintenance professionals will examine key components such as the engines, airframe, avionics, and landing gear. They will look for signs of wear and tear, corrosion, or any damage that could affect the aircraft's performance and safety. Reviewing the aircraft's maintenance records and logbook is equally important. These documents provide a history of the aircraft's maintenance, any repairs or modifications, and compliance with mandatory inspections and airworthiness directives. For pre-owned aircraft, it's also crucial to review the operational history. This includes the aircraft's usage patterns, previous owners, and any incidents or accidents it may have been involved in. An aircraft with a history of frequent short-haul flights may have more wear and tear compared to the one used for long-haul routes, even if the total hours are similar. The final payment is made upon delivery of the aircraft. Before this payment is released, a final walkthrough and inspection are usually conducted to ensure that the aircraft meets all contractual specifications and that there are no outstanding issues. Once both parties agree, the escrow agent releases the final payment to the seller, and the ownership documents, including the bill of sale and all the aircraft titles, are transferred to the buyer. This step is crucial as it ensures a clean transfer of ownership without any liens or encumbrances. It's important to note that using escrow services does come with a fee, usually a small percentage of the transaction value. However, the security and peace of mind that escrow provides are well worth the cost, especially when dealing with such significant amounts of money. With all technical inspections, legal checks, paperwork, transfer of funds, and handover of aircraft documents in the bag, it is time for the delivery of the aircraft. Before taking delivery, make sure that your aircraft insurance is in place. Aircraft insurance covers risks such as damage, liability, and loss of income due to grounding. Work with an aviation insurance specialist to ensure that you have comprehensive coverage that meets your operational needs. The policy should be effective as soon as the aircraft is handed over to you. After this, you can arrange for delivery. Taking final delivery of the aircraft is undoubtedly a major achievement, but it's just the beginning. This is where the real work starts, getting the aircraft ready for operations, meeting all regulatory requirements, and beginning the journey towards profitability. In our next episode of Flipside 05, we'll dive into what comes next after purchasing an aircraft, including the certification process and how to prepare your aircraft for commercial operations. So don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and subscribe to Flipside 05, your go-to channel for all things aviation. Until next time, keep flying high.